At the beginning of the 20th century, Mexican peasants lacked their own land, so they worked and lived in precarious conditions on large haciendas. Acknowledging this, the major leaders of the Mexican Revolution demanded that the federal government break up the large concentrations of land and restore them to the peasants. The Mexican Revolution led to the creation of the Agrarian Law of 1915, as well as the Federal Constitution of 1917, which ordered the redistribution of land as a constitutional and political mandate. Between 1915 and 1992, the Mexican government redistributed 386,000 square miles, equivalent to over half of all Mexican territory, giving birth to a new kind of communal landholding called the Ejido, adding it to existing social property. Ejido members could practice agriculture and livestock breeding in their ejido to get profit from its natural resources, under the organizational rules fixed by the federal government. The law established that ownership of these lands was unalienable and that they could not be seized or sold, so as to grant the farmers a property to work on and live in. These rules protected the farmer from being abused, but also limited the use of this kind of property for productive projects. In 1992, new laws, institutions, and programs were created in order to make the land more productive, as well as to provide legal certainty to the ejido type of ownership. In this way, the ejido keeps its protectionist core, but it is now allowed to attract private investment, therefore increasing its competitiveness in the face of globalized world competition. Nowadays, ejido land is subject to commerce, with many advantages in order to establish any project, whether it be for infrastructure, industry, agro-industrial use, housing, mining, among others. All this being possible only when done on a solid base of feasibility and legal certainty in order to prevent any sort of litigation over the land. LOF Corporativo Profesional provides qualified legal assistance in the field of agrarian law, with over 23 years of expertise and deep knowledge of Mexican estate law, as well as experience in negotiations between ejido owners and businesses. LOF Corporativo Profesional provides the required legal certainty to purchase land in Mexico. For further information, visit juridicoagrario.com.mx.